how to set up a Roblox account. Okay, so from your PC, you go to your browser and you type in roblox.com, and then you'll land onto this page over here. You need to enter your details. So enter your birthday and then pick a username. So I'm going to use R1, that'll be my username, and then a password, and then pick a gender, and then click on sign up. Click on verify. It says here touch the arrows to roll the ball. Okay, just waiting for it to load, and congratulations. Once you've passed the verification, you will come to this window and you have signed up to Roblox. So you've created an account and now you need to download it if you're on a computer. Okay, so to get Roblox on your computer, you need to click on a game. So just pick any game that you want to play. So click on Adopt Me, for example. Okay, and then just go and click on play, and then it's gonna notice that you don't have Roblox on your computer, so it's gonna prompt you to download and install Roblox. So click on that. Just click on it where it's downloaded and allow it to install. Okay, Roblox is successfully installed. Click OK. You have officially created an account with Roblox, and you've downloaded Roblox onto your computer. And whenever you're ready to play a game, just pick a game that you want and click on the big green button, play button, whenever you're ready to play. Okay.